So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Floki Inu, cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, go to the bottom of your screen and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start going ahead and typing in Floki, so FLO, Floki Inu, ticker symbol Floki. Go ahead and select that. Once you're here at the bottom, press on buy. Now, once you're on this page, you can type in how much Floki Inu crypto you want to purchase. So, for example, if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then once you're on this page, you can review the transaction by seeing how much of it that you're buying, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Floki Inu crypto here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.